Set the hook on something here. Pulling a little bit of drag. Hey folks, this video was a catch, clean, and cook. I'm going to show you my recipe for fried walleye and spicy tartar sauce. But before that, I'm going to show you some footage of my fishing trip to the Wolf Creek Dam. That's going to be at the Cumberland River there, just below Lake Cumberland. I caught a trout and caught a walleye that I brought home. If you do decide to go there to fish, it's a great place. I definitely will be going back. Keep in mind that there's an 18 to 26 inch slot limit on those walleye there, so anything in that size range you have to turn back, and I think outside of that you're allowed to. I was using live minnows for my bait, and I also I had a white jig, sort of like a bucktail jig that I threw, and I lost it on the first cast. You'll see. I also threw a rattle trap and was able to catch a trout on it. I always like using those because of the noise they make, and I like it because it's shiny, and I think it's a good fish attractant. As far as the rod and reels, I took two. One was a 6.5 foot and another a 7 foot medium action ugly stick. I was using braided line with a fluorocarbon leader. Actually, I think it was 20 and 30 on the other, and then the leader was 17 pound. Wanted to take something pretty big because of being below that dam. I know there's potential to hook onto a pretty good sized fish. So I'll go ahead and get into the footage of the fishing trip now. Set the hook on something here. Pulling a little bit of drag. Saw the walleye one here. Oh yeah. If you guys can see him, I don't know for sure if that's a walleye or if it's a sauger. All right guys, I got another little minnow back on here, and throw him back out there and see what else we can catch. Got something here on the rattle trap. Uh-oh. A little trapped. If I can get him here. Come on, buddy. There he went. All right, I've got some fries going. They're almost done. I'm getting ready to pull them out. Before I do that though, I'm going to show you the fish. I actually got a couple good fillets out of it. I cut the cheap meat off of it, and I'm going to do a real simple recipe with this. Look over me, I'm doing this one-handed. I'm going to use a little bit of yellow cornmeal. This way I love to fry fish. Might have been too much, but that's all right. And I'm going to use some of this Tony Satcheries here. You can put whatever you want in yours, but I like this. I put this Tony's in about everything. It's really good. Probably do just a little bit more than that. Alright, now I'm going to make a real simple egg wash. Just going to crack an egg, a fresh egg. I'm going to use a little bit of Frank's hot sauce. Going to dip these in the egg wash, and then over here in this cornmeal breading, do a few pieces at a time. And then into some hot oil. I think it's hot enough. I've actually fried some chicken in this a few minutes ago. Now you might want to use clean oil for yours, but I don't really care too much. Should be about 350 degrees or so roughly. Go ahead and bread the rest of this. I'm going to make a spicy tartar sauce. And I'm not going to give exact measurements, but I'm going to use a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm not making a lot, so about that much. And I'm going to use some sweet relish. Now, this was given to us by a good friend and a sister in the church. It's really good. I've been using it in different things. We'll use just a little squirt of mustard. This is not exactly a traditional, just kind of a little splash of lemon juice. Now if you got a fresh lemon, probably better, but I didn't have one. And to make it spicy, I'm going to use some sriracha. I'm going to give this a little bit of a mix. Tastes pretty good to me. Alright guys, we've got it finished here. I just breaded it in some yellow cornmeal with some Tony Satcheries and fried it. Cut us up some potatoes and made us some homemade french fries. The coleslaw, I actually bought this at our local grocery store. I can make pretty good coleslaw, but and a little bit of crunch for time this evening. I just bought it. Theirs is really good. And then this spicy tartar sauce that we made there a few minutes ago. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. That's delicious. Been wanting to try walleye for a long time. I was always told that it was really good, and I'm definitely not dissatisfied with it at all. I look forward to trying to catch some more and cook some more in the future, but this is really good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and God bless you.